Let us learn today describing words or adjectives. Sweet mango, cold ice cream, 3 umbrellas. The word sweet, it describes noun mango. Cold says something more about ice cream and 3 says about umbrella. So the words here sweet, cold and 3, all these words describes the noun mango, ice cream and umbrellas and called adjectives. Adjectives describe or qualify a noun or a pronoun. It tells something more about a noun, means person, place, animal or things. The description can be about shape, size, color, type or looks, taste and also can be about numbers. So, the definition says words which describe or tell us more about nouns or pronouns are called adjectives or describing words. Let's see few pictorial examples. Blue water, big whale, 3 green trees, fluffy white clouds, tall lighthouse. In these examples, the words fluffy white, 3 green, big, blue and tall, these all are adjectives. Few more examples: scary black cat, huge almirah, shiny oval mirror. In these examples, you see huge, shiny oval and scary. All these 3 words describes nouns, so they are all adjectives. See these examples: 2 chairs, beautiful painting. Here the nouns painting and chairs are described by adjectives beautiful and 2. Now look at these examples: tall lampshade, square cushion, comfortable sofa, round red carpet. In these examples, you see lampshade, cushion, sofa and carpet. All these nouns are described by adjectives: tall, square, comfortable, round, red. One thing you must remember that adjectives can come either before the noun or pronoun or in between the sentence. Let's understand this with few examples. This dog is cute. Cute is the adjective used for the noun dog. She is a beautiful girl. The adjective beautiful defines the noun girl. Rohan is a smart boy. Adjective smart defines the noun boy. He is an angry man. Man is a noun and angry defines it. They are 2 happy friends. Happy and 2. These both are adjectives which defines the noun friends. I have a cute, naughty cat. Cute and naughty both are defining the noun cat. These are colorful butterflies. Colorful is the word which defines butterflies, so it is an adjective. These vegetables are healthy and fresh. The adjectives healthy and fresh defines the noun vegetables. My doll is beautiful. Here you see doll is a noun and it is defined by the adjective beautiful. So today you learned use of adjective. Let's see an interesting exercise. Match adjectives in column A with nouns in column B. A side you see all the adjectives are written: salty, lovely, 2, round, difficult, small and red. And towards the B side you see all the nouns are written: candies, ball, question, plant, rose, biscuit and girl. Let's match these adjectives with nouns. Now let's see the answers. Salty biscuits, lovely girl, 2 candies, round ball, difficult question, small plant, red rose. Good job! We have correctly matched all the adjectives with the nouns. Hope you learnt and liked.